Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can use Voicemod in Roblox mobile. Now, if you're wondering on how you are going to use the Voicemod application into your Roblox mobile, unfortunately the answer is going to be no. You cannot use the Voicemod application on your Roblox mobile, but instead you can use it for your computer. Now, this is the only way to use Voicemod as of the moment. There are no ways for you to go ahead and use it on mobile. But if you're on computer, you can just go ahead and navigate through your settings and make sure that you select the right microphone in order for the Voicemod to recognize it. From here, just simply navigate through your settings. Just click on the Roblox button, click on settings, and from here you then want to look for the microphone settings. So inside this page, you just want to look for the input button. Now in my Roblox settings right here, the output settings is the only thing enabled. So basically what an output is, it's like a speaker. Now you are looking for the input settings, which is going to be your microphone, the input menu or the input option. And from there, you then want to go ahead and choose Voicemod right here, which is going to be this one. It's Line Voicemod Virtual Audio Device. And from there, you should be good to go. So unfortunately, as of the moment, there is no way in order for us to use Voicemod into the Roblox mobile, but it's pretty easy to use on computer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.